A murder trial is wrapping up after a day of testimony that had some jurors in tears. A father is accused of killing his 2-year-old daughter. 9 on your side's Jordan Burgess takes a closer look at what had the jury so upset.
What was so disturbing were the images shown here inside the Hamilton County Courthouse. They're ones the jury won't soon forget, even with a weekend break in the trial now. This is a picture of Glenara Bates. It's a far cry from the beaten and starved child who jurors saw today. Images too graphic to show. Deputy Coroner Jennifer Shaw couldn't even pinpoint exactly what killed the 2-year-old.
So it's a combination of starvation and the trauma to the head?
Yes.
Shaw testified for more than an hour, showing hard-to-look-at photos of all the injuries Glenara Bates suffered. She says the blow to the head was most likely from someone swinging Glenara by her legs into a wall. She also detailed how Glenara weighed 13 pounds when she died, about half the weight of an average 2-year-old. The testimony included her showing a pink belt she thinks Glenara was beaten with, and bite marks that Glenara's father, Glenn Bates, admitted to causing. But defense attorneys argued that Glenn Bates is not responsible for Glenara's death, pointing out that the deputy coroner couldn't say who caused Glenara's head injury. They allege Glenara's mother, Andrea Bradley, is behind the abuse. Soon a jury will decide. Both sides finish their cases today, the defense without calling any witnesses. Closing arguments in the case are set for Monday. Then the case will go to the jury. Now, the judge today telling the jury to be prepared to stay overnight in a hotel on Monday if they can't reach a verdict. Now, the jury will only decide whether or not Glenn Bates is guilty. If he is found guilty, then he'll have another hearing, and that's when his sentence will be decided and whether he gets the death penalty. Jordan Burgess, 9 on your side.